What set you from, nigga? What set you from, nigga? What set you claim, nigga? What set you claim, nigga? Where you from, nigga? Where you from, nigga? Where you from, nigga? Where you from, nigga? What set you from, nigga? What set you from, nigga? What set you claim, nigga? What set you claim, nigga? Where you from, nigga? Where you from, nigga? Where you from, nigga? Where you from, nigga? I claim Thug Town, nigga. It's going down, nigga. Put you in the ground, nigga. Yeah, I thought you knew, nigga. The nigga psycho, nigga insane in the brain, you know the deal. Like that nigga Cypress Hill. Nigga murder on my mind. This nigga, it's your bitch ass, I'ma find, nigga. Yeah, make your blood spill on the real. Yeah, nigga, I fucking kill. Nigga, put your ass in the steel, nigga. With my motherfucking gun, pocket one, nigga. Yeah, I get my fucking pistol. I'll pop you like a missile, blow you like a whistle. Up to the sky, you're gonna get popped in the drive-by, nigga. Yeah, it's real G shit. I bring the shit straight from the gutter, nigga. Straight from the ghetto, you know how I flow. Niggas getting psycho, busting my shit in the studio. Catch me in this motherfucker, yo. Hit it, doing it again. Catch me late at night, around motherfucking 10. Yeah, we going all in, gangsta party. Sipping on Bacardi, yeah. It's like on the block, nigga. Like Tupac, nigga. Snoop Dogg. Catch me in the small, nigga. I ain't a fucking hog, nigga. Yeah, it's thug life, nigga. Make a bad bitch my wife. Yeah, I'm fucking with these niggas. They stay strapped with the fucking Glocks, nigga. On the motherfucking blocks, nigga. The AK spray it any fucking day. Don't give a fuck what you say. What set you from, nigga? What set you from, nigga? Where you from, nigga? Where you from, nigga?